Hello guys, welcome and namaste. I hope you guys are at home, safely quarantined, and today evening we are going to make, my mother is making pakoda, that is basic onion pakoda. So you can see that we have this basin out here, onions which I have chopped so beautifully, and we have chili, this is ginger, this is coriander and some kind of pudina. And here we have some warm and salt. This is very good for the digestion, guys, if you want to add. Then yeah, let's start the process. So we have put some basin out there. Put it side, mama. Yes, then we're gonna add our onions. So beautifully chopped onions. Wow. Onions are more beautiful than the basin, as you can see. And then we're gonna add some salt. Perfect. So I'm the videographer for my mother's cooking today. What's up, mama? Add some warm as well. Mix it. Okay, you're gonna add the greens as well. A little bit of chilies. If you like more chilies, you can add more chilies according to your taste. And then add some pudina. Sprinkle. Mix it. Yes. Then how about we add some water into it, mama? No? Oh, we're gonna add some oil. That's interesting. So let's add some oil, guys. This is like a pro tip, so that it's gonna get crisp. And we need some water, right? Okay, let's take some water here. Add bit by bit. Okay. Mix it. Slow, very slow. Slow sprinkle mix. Yes. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. Oh yeah. That's how the mixing has to be done. So we are just making this dry batter for our onion pakoda. Yes. Soda. We need some soda as well, so let's get some soda as well. So we're adding a little bit of soda here. So what does soda do, mama? Soda in chestadi.
Gas levels.
So it will reduce the flatulence, guys. If you have gas problems, please make sure that you add soda as well as this warm that we have added in this. It not only gives taste but also helps you to reduce the indigestion and flatulence. Yes. Mix it, baby. Mix it. Come on. Now that it is ready, we'll keep it for some time. Okay, we'll rest it. We have worked with it a lot. Let it give some time before it can be fried and dyed. So now moving on to the next session, that is making our adrak wali chai. It means ginger tea basically. So we're gonna put some water and add some normal tea powder. So by the way, this is 3 roses. As you can see, it started sizzling. Oh my god, so much love for the tea powder. As you can see, chemical reaction is happening, by the way, guys. So if you really want the benefits of tea, have it in a form of a black tea, because whatever the antioxidants which are present in the tea, you're gonna get straight away to your body. But if you're gonna add milk there, and that's the end of life of the tea. So anyways, we're gonna end the life of the tea here by adding the milk. Before even we can do that, how about we add some ginger? Well, to this boiling concoction, I'm adding some ginger. Boil, get the essence of ginger, baby. Yes, so now that it is boiling, I'm gonna add some milk to this. Oh my god, look at that. It's like an abstract art. I'm loving it. Okay, so I just added a little bit of milk because it's just for 2 people, to me and to my mama. And I let it boil at medium heat. So yeah. I think at this point you can even add sugar as well to your convenience, or you can just strain it and then you can add sugar according to your convenience, because my mother is not diabetic, thank god, and so we both can add and have equal amount of sugar. So let's add sugar. So here I'm adding some. Oh, you are sizzling good, baby. I love how you sizzle. Come on. Perfect. Down you go. Perfect. Now our tea is ready. and all it is waiting is to be served. Yes, guys. So let's serve this. Let's take the cup. And so, guys, we are ready with the tea, and let's see this. That smells divine. Don't worry, I'm gonna give it to my mother as well. Even though I love ginger tea. Yes, I'm gonna share it all. So let's start the pakoda process by pouring so satisfying. Oh, just pouring oil, not even butter. It's not really okay. So that should be good enough. It's perfect. Let it boil for a while. We're gonna put it over medium heat. Guys, we just started. My mother started before even I can record. What's up, Mama? We're just filling the entire kadai with it. Smaller pieces, not very big, because it's gonna make this onion crispy and tasty. We're gonna let it for a while. Be very careful. Do it in the adult supervision. Now it's the time for lifting them up from the oil and giving them life in their stomach. First batch of pakoda is ready to be tried and tested. So guys, finally our amazingly beautifully chopped onions have turned themselves into pakoda. Good job, onions, and our ginger tea. They are both waiting for me, so let me enjoy it, savor it. So have a good day. Bye.